Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with reports we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say MENA don arrange a bill seeking to mandate the rotation of the offices of the president and vice president among the 6 geopolitical zones for inside we nation Nigeria. That is to say, if today our president na Yoruba person, tomorrow if he be Igbo man, next tomorrow if he be Akwa Ibom man or Edo State man or somebody from the north, that na the rotation wey men be dey seek. But last when this bill now come reach the table of the House of Representatives, them now come shoot am down, them now come reject am, them now dey yarn. So that kind of bill e no go fly at all. I no be lie. Them now gonna drop some kind of reasons as to why the bill no go fly. And my good people, this bill so where they seek to mandate the rotation of the offices of the president and vice president. Now one of the 7 proposed constitutional amendments listed for consideration during the plenary session presided over by the deputy speaker will be Benjamin Kalu. And last all the 7 bills women present that day ultimately was rejected. But however, the House now can resolve to reconsider the bills individually on their merits during Wednesday sitting. That is, they go discuss the matter again when they sit down, when they meet on Wednesday. And to facilitate a more efficient debate, the House will already suspend their rules to allow simultaneous discussion of the constitutional amendment bills. That's now they permit members to focus on any of the 7 proposals. And no be lie, my good people. You know, say during the Tuesday sitting, the rotational presidency bill, that is the bill now where they seek to mandate the rotation of presidency office and vice presidency office, as it was expected, the thing last gathered the most attention. The thing spark like spark plug. It can cause debate. The man where they lead the opposition to the proposal, the man will be saying in the front, in the kick against the rotational presidency bill, and this man so now deputy minority leader Aliyu Madaki. He now they argue, say the principle of equitable representation was already covered by the Federal Character Commission. According to INT talk, he say rotation of the presidency should not be a constitutional matter. No be something where reps members supposed pull hand, because political parties wey dey ground already, they don't get internal mechanisms. They know the things to do to ensure fair and equitable representation in the distribution of offices during elections. That is, political parties like PDP, APC, Labour Party, NNPP and so on. They already know the tribe where their leaders supposed come from. No say they could just give form to anybody. They know say as Igbo person don't rule, it go good make Hausa person, or it go good make Edo State person, or it go good make Igbo person run, make Igbo person contest. Then still for inside the house, one country man where they go by the name Sada Soli, he not gonna criticize the bill, he not gonna sama warning. Say this bill wey men they carry come, it get the potential to compromise the quality of leadership. He say adopting a rotational principle for the presidency, it no go serve in the best interest of the general public, no go serve in the best interest of the country. He say instead, the thing go fuel regional and ethnic rivalry. And then a rep member where they go by the name Shina Oyedeji, he na dey in support of the principle, he na dey in support of the rotational presidency bill. I na con dey yarn, say if them plaster this principle so, it go address the long-standing agitation for fairness among Nigeria's ethnic nationalities. And no be lie, many zones for inside we nation Nigeria don dey complain of marginalization. Dem now dey complain say e no nice at all. Say every now and then na Hausa person na dey rule. Now Yoruba person don enter, before you know it go back to the north. What about Edo person? What about Akwa Ibom person? What about Igbo person kwanu? Those men they go like rule kwa, so that the power thing go balance. But however, my good people, this rep member will be Shina Oyedeji, wey dey in support of the principle. If na constantly caution, if na constantly yarn, say zoning could also create new challenges. So if they come plaster this principle now to the rotate presidency, if it bring up a new challenge we may never observe before. He say if men now can adopt zoning and it comes to the southwest, for instance, which states now we can take the slot? Is it for Ogun State or is it for Oyo State? He now can ask. Then Oga Bello El-Rufai, wey be another member for inside the house now, come dey raise a constitutional concern about the unforeseen circumstances such as the RIP of a sitting presido. Him now come dey talk say wetin go happen if the presido now come kpai in office, as the thing take happen for inside the year 2010 with the late president Umaru Musa Yar'Adua. If that kind thing now come happen in the future and men don adopt the rotation principle, will the vice president be forced to vacate office to maintain the zoning agreement? In on the ask. Oga Bello El-Rufai still proceed further dey yarn say a constitutional rotation clause fit infringe on Nigeria's right to freely contest for any office, and last mistrust go fit persist regardless of legal provisions. And no be lie, my good people, you know say currently the Nigerian constitution don grant every Nigerian citizen the right to contest for any office for inside we nation Nigeria. And if they come plaster this rotational principle, that is to say men now no go fit get the right now to vote. No be everybody go fit vote. If e be say men now don adopt the rotational principle and e come be say na the southeast their turn, the states dem wey dey for inside the southeast fit come dey get quarter, they fit come dey get issues sake of say they go wan like to represent. And now Oga Bello El-Rufai dey let men dey know say no matter wetin men do for inside we nation Nigeria, there will always be cries of marginalization. That is, no get anything wey person wan do, men go still complain say they are feeling marginalized, they are feeling left out and all those kind of levels dem. So they no supposed to make the matters worse at all. They no supposed to set a dangerous precedent by adopting the rotational presidency bill. Now, as many members of the house now dey kick against the bill, as dem now dey express concerns about the potential infringement on political party autonomy, as men now dey yarn say e go dey out of place to constitutionally dictate to political parties how to select their candidates. E clear say some members still dey in support of the bill. The minority whip, wey be Ali Issa, he now support the proposal. He now dey yarn say all the 6 geopolitical zones deserve a fair chance to occupy the presidency. This power something no be one region I get am. This my good people na the information I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, if you be say you dey in support of the rotational presidency bill, or if you be say you dey against the bill, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give on our legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this updates and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news they come your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. And may they come back with more news, may they come back with more reports, may they come back with more information for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.